वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग एक अमेजिंग सा लंच खाने वाले हैं जो कि हम करेंगे 9th रेस्टोरेंट से, शार्लेट स्ट्रीट, लंदन। बहुत ही अमेजिंग रेस्टोरेंट है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग खाना है। पहली बार जा रहा हूँ मैं एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ 1 मिशेलिन स्टार रेस्टोरेंट। सो लेट्स गो। Okay, so one of our partner is here. The other one is still in the tube. हमारा कितने 12 बजे का था ना, 1 o'clock का रिजर्वेशन था। अभी कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 1:20 and she just sent a picture of her sitting in the tube.
The steps of Muskan Jay.
You see, हाँ, हमारी एक दोस्त थी मुस्कान, ये उसका स्टेप फॉलो कर रही है। You see what we have to go through एक लंच खाने के लिए। Anyways, he actually works here. ठीक है, so he is the one who invited us actually. So रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में सबसे अच्छी तरह से वो ही बता सकता है। So yeah, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगा उसके थ्रू पास होगा।
The whole restaurant concept is that the whole menu is for sharing plates. So even the main course, if you get the grilled chicken or something, it's gonna be a very decent sized portion. So like if you just stick with the 3 courses, you will be full. It is a very decent menu.
And it's a very decent price for the...
शर्म नहीं आती, गालियाँ दे रही आती।
Don't tell me you got late for this. I'm very impressed with the attitude of the people here. Like, I feel like at home. Like not being here for the first time, I actually feel like I'm at home. It is so nice.
I just love working here. I mean, it's been amazing. I've been learning a lot. The whole culture
think you
is very
deserve
nice. I mean, everything's very nice. Just very happy.
Is it better than your old working place?
So for I won't name where I was working,
No, please don't name.
In a rhyming way. So.
but I was working with these 3 amazing people. Apart from them, I don't know.
Thank you.
But yeah, okay. Let's
I pray that
the courgette flour, and then for starters, we'll all go with the menu.
perfect.
Set menu. We'll take 2 sea trout, 1 tomato, and 1 cacio e pepe.
Perfect.
Then for mains, we are going 2 grilled chicken, 1 sea bream, and 1 risotto.
Cream and one risotto. Any
Perfect.
vegetables?
Yes, please. We'll go with the char grilled hipsy cabbage and 2 portions of the crispy potatoes, please.
Perfect. When you try them, you'll know.
Yeah, it won't be.
You'll be like, I'm glad you got to
No, I love potato in any form, so I...
Oh, you're in trouble then.
And
You're like my spirit animal. I understand you, yeah. I
and
speak for both of us. You're in trouble. You're in trouble.
for
And then for dessert, shall we decide
Yeah.
a bit later, see how it
Yes,
feels?
yes,
Nice.
please.
And there was no allergies.
no.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay. First starter है ना?
Yes.
Is here.
It's just a snack. So that's a fried tempura flour with a home house-made ricotta filling in the center. And below the flour you have a chili jam, and on the side you have a leek aioli.
Sketch breakfast your lunch menu.
And it's a house-made ricotta, so it's fresh. It's nice. It's yum.
That is beautiful.
How's it?
It was so good. I love it.
And it features those maybe it's just full of like stalks, yeah, fermented water liquid.
This one?
That one is a seaweed tartlet with a crab filling and some pickled shallots on top and some lemon zest and some spice. And it's I think it's like
can actually like.
My mouth is full of crab. Full tart and the kujat flour. Thumbs up. Okay, the second round of starters is here. Ye kya hai?
This one is a heritage tomato salad on the bottom with tomato and watermelon consomme. Then it's layered with a layer of pickled shallots. Then on top you have watermelon cubes that are compressed with agave, lime juice and chilies. Then you have some feta, some black olive dressing, some pickled pearl onions, some caper berries, pickled cucumbers, some mint and some mint oil.
Acha.
Chef, please.
Okay, this is
So
Cacio
it's
pepe.
Cacio de pepe.
No, last time.
Sliced courgettes that are marinated in house dressing, some salt, then some mint leaves on top, and some mint oil just a little bit you put around.
Oh, you just said the pasta is homemade.
We can do it.
That is super. Super. Okay, Vishnu, this is the potato with the. You can see the layers. देखा यहाँ पे layers है. तो ये लोग slice करके layer by layer arrange करते हैं उसको. They make a terrine out of it. उसके बाद उसको ऐसे shape में cut करते हैं. And then you fry it or you bake it. And then they fry it. And then you dip it in the tomato aioli. And then you take a bite. Alright. So now I'm gonna try the hispy cabbage. Char grilled है ना? Char grilled hispy cabbage with क्या था? Tzatziki? नहीं. Hazelnut. Blah 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 blah. Next one up, I'm gonna try the
very nice.
fish. Sea bream
Yeah. It's very light.
with, I can see cherry tomatoes.
Romesco sauce, subject tomatoes,
What sauce?
romesco,
Romesco sauce.
and some compressed courgette, some basil oil, some basil dressing. The black
Compressed courgette.
the black one is like a basil sauce. We
Oh.
dehydrate basils and then make a paste out of it.
Basil sauce, okay.
Loss है उसको लेके
Flavors and freshness.
Alright, next one up, I'm gonna try the chicken. Chicken with what on top? Remoulade on top, tzatziki, and baby jam nahi.
Baby jam,
Baby jam, charred baby jam,
charred baby jam with parmesan, a dressing,
parmesan.
anchovy crumb,
Oh, anchovy crumbs, nice.
and mint oil.
And mint oil, very
Your
nice.
winner is
The milk.
Eminence Foods took over the whole restaurant. Not fine dining, but
This one is a special item. You cannot guess what this is by looking at it. देख के समझ आ रहा है कुछ है? अगर समझ आएगा तो कमेंट करो क्या है ये. Last thing.
you haven't tried it yet.
No. I am gonna reveal. I'm gonna tell you what this is. Finally. This is risotto. Okay, so this is risotto. So what they do is they cook the risotto, they put it in a tray, they freeze it, and then take it out, cut it, and then they pan fry it to get a crispy top here. Yeah, and inside you see like nice and creamy risotto. It's very nice. So let's try it. So the main course is finito. So now we just ordered क्या नाम है इसका? Pasito wine. So dessert wine.
Italian dessert wine from Sicily.
Italian dessert wine from Sicily. Nice.
Go towards Didi, the backdrop.
because your phone is not up to standard.
Wow.
Right?
Right?
So fresh. There's elderflower notes in it, no?
Do you want to go to history next year?
What?
If we get a visa.
One day later.
Stop, guys. We have the beautiful, most awaited dessert. Look at that. Look at that. Spain for two. Oh, so it's like a French toast.
Like that?
Yeah, something like a French toast.
Wow.
Crispy skin.
Oh my god.
Very nice. Oh.
Get Savona. Happy birthday. Look, chocolate creamy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Okay, can I?
Happy
Nobody sing, nobody sing, nobody sing.
birthday to
No, I
you.
want it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
This is
birthday.
your.
Oh, wait.
No, he said last with the wine.
This also at my wedding.
So first I'll try the bread. Oh, it's so moist inside. It's so moist. Oh my god. Look at this. Look how moist it's inside.
Wow.
Look at
Oh my god, I get why people come here.
So we are out from an amazing lunch. Guys, how was it?
Wow.
I hope you all like the video.
Oh, we loved it. We loved the lunch. It was so amazing. And I think it was pretty worth it for the price that we paid. Amazing खाना था. 1 Michelin star restaurant. Generally सस्ता होता है 2 Michelin और 3 Michelin से, but बहुत अच्छा सेट मेन्यू था और हम लोगों ने आ ला कार्ट से भी खाना खाया जैसे ही आपने देखा. It was amazing.